She thinks her blanket is a fight.
Evil. Which is sort of is.
But remember to pull her out and say you saved her. Pull her out. But pull the blanket off of her really quick and say, I saved you.
I saved you.
No. Say soft, sweet, I saved you.
I saved you.
Sugar.
I saved you from the evil.
Sugar. And she kisses. Put it back over her.
Whoa.
Cover her up. She weighs 4 pounds.
I think she could take on the world.
Taco ran away. He's scared. Alright, cover her back up where she can't see. Watch this. Hold on, stop. Sugar, come here. I saved you. Sweet, soft kisses. Kisses, Sugar. Hey, yeah. Sweet girl. Hold on. Hold on, stop. Sugar, I saved you. Sweet, soft. Kisses. Hey, Sugar. Good girl. Yeah, that's good girl. Good girl.
Move your head.
Hold on. Good girl. Kisses? Yeah, sweet girl. Yeah.
She's trying to bite you.
Okay.
She kind of got me there.
Hold on. Sugar. Pull it off. Sugar, come here. I saved you. Good girl.
Hey.
That's a sweet girl. Yes.
Hey.
Good girl.
She was smiling evilly.
Because you're putting the blanket back on her. Good girl. Yeah. Sweet girl. Okay. Hold on. Stop. Sugar, I saved you. Sweet girl. Give me kisses. Kisses. No, move the blanket. Move the blanket. No? Sugar, kisses. Kisses. Sweet girl.
She's gonna wake up in the middle of the night.
Come here. That's a good girl, Sugar. Yeah. That's a good girl. Kisses.
Don't try and bite me.
Hold on. Come here, baby. Kisses.
Here. Flip you over. Yes.
Kisses. Good girl. Yeah. Okay. Taco's terrified. Careful, you might lose a finger. It's like a gremlin. Okay, pull the blanket off of her. Come here, sugar. No, you can't do that. Sugar, come here. Come here, Sugar. Come here. Come here. Kisses. Come here. Good girl. Kisses. Kisses.
He's just a little wound up.
Come here.
Hey, Taco. Hey, buddy.
Sweet girl. Wow, she sees the blanket. Taco, are you scared? He says yes. He's like, I could lose a tail. He ran away.
Let's see what the blanket off.
Come here, Sugar. Come here. Come here, Sugar. Oh, you can't do that with the blanket. Let her go. Let her go. Let her go. Come here, Sugar. Come here.
Aww.
Come here. Come here, sweet girl. Come here. Sweet girl, give me kisses. Kisses. Oh, did you turn it off?
No, I just turned off the flash. Oh, she looks evil.
Sweet girl. Kisses. 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 Give mommy kisses.
Excuse me.
That'll make her. Yeah, she's smelling it. Good girl.
Come here.
Good girl. Oh, go get the blanket. Go get it.
Oh. Come here, sugar.
There they go.
Oh, we gotta get this on tape too. Let's see if we can get him to start fighting.
Taco gave you one like shove. Taco ran away.
Again.
Come here, Taco. Come here.
She got me last time.
There's Taco.
Just like talking the demon language.
Taco's like, help me.
Little stinker.
Her eyes look so possessed and you have a 10% battery.
Alright.
Alright, let her go. Just let her go. I mean, let her go.
Okay.
Put the blanket somewhere else. Come here, sugar. He saved you.
Hey.
Good girl. Give kisses.
Yes.
Oh, yes, kisses. Good girl.
Okay, taco.
No. Just settle down. Sugar.
Yes, hey, taco.
Good girl. That's a good girl. Yeah.
You bit that nasty blanket.
Give kisses. 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 Good girl. Kiss.
Hey, mama. Hey, taco.
Good girl.
Excuse me.
Sugar taco.
Get him. Get him.
No. Sugar. Kisses. Good girl. Come here, Sugar. Come here. Taco's like, I'm scared.